Keto bacon and kimchi deviled eggs. Peel the eggs and cut them in half. Separate yolks from the whites. Combine the egg yolks, mayonnaise, kimchi, bacon bits, soy sauce, and the spring onions in a bowl. Mix until well combined. Spoon the mixture into egg white halves. Finish with a garnish of spring onions and sesame seeds. Enjoy! If you are interested in a healthy keto diet, then you should download the free Keto Diet Easy Recipes booklet. You will find a link to it in the description below this video. When you click the link, you get instant access to easy recipes, diet motivational help and much more. Get it now, click below. If you find the recipes useful, I'll appreciate it if you in return would like, comment, subscribe or share. It will help me a lot in growing this channel, thanks.